When you hear the person you are trying to reach is not accepting calls, there are several technical reasons why this might be happening. Understanding these causes is essential for resolving the issue effectively. Call blocking issues fall into three main categories. Network-level blocking occurs at the carrier level, device-level blocking happens on the recipient's phone, and service-related issues involve technical problems with the calling infrastructure. Network-level blocking is the most common cause of this error. Modern carriers use sophisticated AI-powered spam detection systems that analyze calling patterns in real time. Unfortunately, these systems have a false positive rate of 15 to 20%, meaning legitimate calls are often blocked by mistake. Device-level blocking occurs directly on the recipient's phone. This includes manual blocking of specific numbers, do not disturb mode being activated, third-party call blocking applications, or phone settings that restrict calls from unknown numbers. These are user-controlled settings that can prevent legitimate calls from connecting. Service-related issues involve technical problems with the calling infrastructure itself. These include VoIP service misconfigurations, SIM card authentication failures, international roaming restrictions, and network congestion or outages. These technical issues can prevent calls from being properly routed to their destination. Understanding the technical flow helps explain why calls get blocked. When you make a call, it passes through multiple verification points, including the originating service provider, authentication services, and the terminating service provider before reaching the recipient. Each point can potentially block the call based on various criteria. Understanding these three categories of call blocking is the first step toward resolving connection issues. Each type requires different troubleshooting approaches, which we'll explore in detail in the next section of this guide. Now that we understand why calls get blocked, let's explore practical solutions to fix these issues and prevent them from happening in the future. Start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, verify your network status and check for any carrier outages. Second, ensure your account is in good standing with no unpaid bills. Third, try calling from a different phone number to see if the issue is specific to your number. For more systematic troubleshooting, follow this network troubleshooting flowchart. It provides a structured approach to identifying and resolving call blocking issues. For advanced solutions, consider carrier whitelisting, where you contact your carrier to add your number to their approved calling lists. Also ensure proper CNAM registration, so your caller ID displays correctly to recipients. For businesses, following proper communication protocols is essential. This flowchart shows the standard industry process for business communications, including required registrations and compliance measures. Businesses should adopt these best practices. Register their numbers with appropriate databases, maintain consistent calling patterns, inform contacts about potential blocking issues, and use multiple communication channels to ensure reliable contact. Regular monitoring is crucial for identifying call blocking issues early. This call center dashboard shows key performance indicators including call completion rates, response times, and customer satisfaction metrics that help track communication effectiveness. Looking ahead, emerging solutions include blockchain-based authentication for secure caller verification and enhanced AI filtering systems that can better distinguish between legitimate calls and spam, reducing false positives. By implementing these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, you can significantly reduce call blocking issues. Stay informed about carrier policies, use multiple communication channels, monitor your call success rates, and maintain professional communication practices to ensure your calls reach their intended recipients.